All right, guys, this is a powerful strategy that is so powerful, and I'm gonna be releasing it to kick off once again. I'm gonna be releasing it to start a kickoff, and this is not actually. Let me show you how powerful this strategy is. This is a $3 account. It's a $3 account, right? It's a $3 account, as you can see. And the CN Great Cancels have started again. And my absence, not uploading synthetic or Forex strategies these days caused a whole lot of havoc. And I noticed some persons uploading my content directly, not changing anything, with my voice, everything on YouTube directly. And just because I decided to make a kind of little diversification, but nevertheless, CN Great Cancels and Forex Trades is coming back, and we are going to be rocking it raw live. You know how we do it on this channel. And in case you are new on this channel, this is CN Great Cancels and Forex Trades. And what we do on this channel is that we upload contents bordering on Forex trading, especially synthetic indices, boom and crash, where we are specialists, okay, and then we also upload content on cryptocurrencies and some other investment platforms, which of course we might be playing down on. Okay, so I'm gonna be uploading various contents. Of course, I have over 200 contents on YouTube, and out of the 200, around 50% of that has to do with Forex trading, synthetic indices trading. So I'd like you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell if you are new, and then get ready, because very soon we're going to start okay, in full force once again. And please, those that have been uploading my contents, I have my eyes on you, and I've started taking actions, right? And the very last one, I took an action that I never wanted to. Of course, I had to report to YouTube, and immediately was verified, and that content was taken down with a strike on the channel. So you just have to be warned. And please, my guys, I'd like you to also give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, so that there will be recommendation to all those that have the need to trade and make more money from Forex, and especially synthetic indices, right? So this is a powerful strategy, and you guys should be expecting this strategy and to use to kickstart a new journey once again, right? So many thanks for being with me and for being patient with me, especially my wonderful audience that have so been patient waiting for this time to come back again. I know a lot of you have been contacting me, asking me, why have you not been posting strategies? Have you not been posting synthetic and Forex trading strategies? And also, my mentorship program to a large extent is on hold for certain reasons, right? Best known to me, and those that have been contacting me for mentorship, I have my reasons for putting a hold to that. But in the meantime, I'll start uploading content on boom and crash, synthetic indices, and of course, you know how we do it. So if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so now, so that when I start in full force, you start getting notification to that effect. And also, if you want to be part of this, in case you are new and you don't know what is going on here, this is my main niche, and this is where we are authority, right? And if you want to be part of what is going on, what will be going on, all you need to do is to check in the description box of this video. You're going to be seeing a link to the video I made on how to set up account, a Forex trading account with Deriv, okay? That is the broker that I use. And you're also going to be seeing the link, a referral link you're going to be using to sign up with Deriv, okay, so that you can start making money with me with the simple but straightforward, easy to understand strategies I will be uploading on this channel, with the guide and with the conditions for you to trade and make your money seamlessly. You can't imagine that this is $3 account, right? This is $3 account, and that's to tell you how reliable, how authentic whatever strategy that I'll be uploading will be. And I've always proved it on this channel. With big or small account, you can always make money. The only thing you need to do is to know the how. HOW. That's what matters most, right? Now, take a look at this account. It's just a $3 account, right? It's just a $3 account. This is absolutely risky, and you don't have to do this if you don't know the how, right? So that is exactly why CM Great Counsels and Forex Trade is there to guide you, to give you the instructions, to give you simple yet highly profitable strategies how you can make money, right? So expect this strategy as soon as possible, but I'm just using this particular video now to intimate you guys that CM Great Counsels is coming back in full force to start uploading VIP, mostly VIP strategies. That's what I'll be uploading, mostly VIP strategy, exclusive strategies meant for your profitability, meant for your dollar making, right? So get prepared, guys. Inform others, tell everyone that CM Great Counsels is coming back in full force with of course I'll still be making videos on other contents, on other niches, okay, that has to do with money making, online money making, because we want to be building wealth from the digital world. Fine, okay. And if you've not joined my Telegram group, there's a link to that Telegram group in the description box. But take note, it's not a signal group. I don't offer signals, I don't manage accounts. But of course, you guys know that my content has always been self-explanatory, educative, and of course it's been making money for a whole lot of people all over the world. But if as regards signal giving, I don't sell signals, okay. I don't manage account. Now I run mentorship program, but in the meantime I'm keeping it low for some reasons. For certain reasons I am keeping it low. So that's what you need to understand. So if you are joining that Telegram group, do not expect signal from the Telegram group. I don't give signals, I don't sell signals, okay. But there are other investment platforms you can benefit from as well. So take note of that. And I want to quickly thank you for watching this video to this very end, right? So it's a very powerful strategy that you cannot afford to miss, okay. And I have a whole lot of them on the pipeline still coming. So I'll be talking to you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to watch it, right? It's very simple, and you know, we make it very simple for your profitability. This is CM Great Counsels signing out for today, and I'll be talking to you in my next video. Bye.
A few moments later.